Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 41 of chapter 7, section 5. Evaluate the integral 35 theta times tan squared theta d theta. As usual, we will call this given integral as I. This has a 35 in the integral, which is a constant. So we will take the 35 out and write as theta times tan squared theta d theta. This section is all about strategy. So we are determining what kind of integration can you do, what technique can you apply in this problem. So this is a combination of, if you treat this as algebraic and trigonometric, so it's a combination of algebraic and trigonometric function. So integration by parts is the best method, best technique here. So we are going to apply integration by parts. So the formula is integral u dv, which is u times v minus integral v du. So we are going to decide which one can be considered as u and which one can be considered as dv. So we normally use the Liarte rule to decide which one is u and which one is dv. So here algebraic and trigonometric, algebraic comes first. So algebraic would be your best choice for u. So let's assume u equal to theta. So du is d theta. Then dv equal to tan squared theta d theta. So this part is dv and this part is u. So dv is tan squared. So we are going to integrate tan squared theta in order to get to v. So we need to write there's a secant squared minus 1 by Pythagorean identity, because integral of secant square is tan, integral of 1 is theta. So we know v, which is tan theta minus theta, du is d theta, u is theta, then dv is tan squared theta d theta. So let's come back to the step I, which is 35 times, now you're going to apply the integration by parts rule. So u times v, that is theta times tan theta minus theta, minus integral v du is d theta. So it is 35 times theta times tan theta minus theta square. Then you have minus integral tan theta, which is ln of absolute secant theta. Then we have a minus here and a minus. So that will be plus integral theta. So that will be theta square over 2. Then everything plus c, because it's an indefinite integral. So we get 35 times theta tan theta minus theta square. We can combine the theta square. So it is minus ln of absolute secant theta. Then we have a theta square with a negative sign, and then half of theta square is added. So we get negative theta square over 2 plus c. Either you can leave the answer like this, or you can distribute the 35 and then leave the answer as well. Hope this video